Okay, so for this video, I'm going to discuss how you're going to deliver or conduct this kind of textbook, which is Speaking Test Part 1, Lesson 1. Okay, so listen carefully all throughout the session, and you can also give some tips and suggestions dun sa comment section natin below. Okay? Para yung ibang mga viewers ay mabasa rin nila and pwede nilang magamit yun para kumbaga makatulong din tayo sa kanila. Kasi makakakuha sila ng knowledge dun sa mga comment na ilalagay nyo dun sa comment section below. Okay? So let's start, of course, the usual, yung greetings, audio video check, short self-introduction, speaking speed, syempre hindi naman mawawala yan. Okay? Unless yung pumasok na student sa inyo ay regular student mo. So of course, you don't have to introduce yourself over and over again dun sa mga regular students nyo kasi obviously, kilala naman na nila kayo. Okay? So now, let's start. Just like other textbooks, scripted din yung textbook na to. Okay? So yung red text, ayan yung babasahin nyo. And of course, yung blue text ay hindi nyo babasahin. Guide nyo lang po iyan. Okay? So, nakalagay dito after small talk. So, Native Camp suggests na before starting the lesson, pwede mong kamustahin muna si student or mag-build ka muna ng rapport sa kanya. Pero nakalagay lang is small talk. So, ibig sabihin, wag mong habaan kasi baka mamaya maging free conversation na yung lesson nyo. Okay? So, iwasan din natin yun kasi pinili ni student yung textbook na yan kasi yan yung gusto niyang matutunan for your session. Okay? So, after the greetings and such, mag-start na tayo dito. So, you will say, let's start the lesson. You chose Speaking Training Part 1, Lesson 1. Is that correct? So, pagkasagot ni student, proceed ka na dito. Okay? So, let's move on to passage 1 and please check the directions. So, don't forget, every time na magpapacheck kayo ng directions, syempre dapat magpo-pause kayo. Give some time to your student to check the directions. Okay? So, after a few seconds, like mga 5 seconds, or pag sinabi ni student na done na siyang i-check yung directions, then mag-proceed ka na dito. Okay, so please look at situation. Let's listen to the audio and imagine you are in this situation. So, ipa-play mo yung audio by clicking this.
You want to buy tickets for a movie. Explain to the ticket counter employee the type of coupon you have and want to use for this purchase.
Okay, that's it. So, after the audio, babasahin mo naman to. So, now, please look at the read aloud sentences in the blue box. This is what you are going to say. Okay? Ayan, ito yon. So, mostly, some of your student is araw-araw na nilang tinatakal yung textbook na to. So, alam na nila kung ano yung next step na gagawin nila. Okay? So, pag ganon, well, depende. Pag regular student mo na siya at alam mo na palagi kayong nagtitake ng lesson na to, kahit hindi mo na to sabihin. Kasi, alam niya na to. So, parang pagkarinig ng audio, diretso na lang si student dito. Bigla na lang siyang mag-start. Ganon. Pero kung hindi mo naman regular, of course, follow the script pa din. Okay? So, for example, yan, di ba nasabi na natin to? So, tanungin mo muna siya, can you see the button? Yan. So, may makikita sila dun sa end nila na button. So, i-click nila yun. Okay, nakalagay naman dito is please tap the button before and after reading. So, habang binabasa nila to aloud, bago sila mag-start, dapat i-click muna nila yung button na yun. And then after reading, i-click nila ulit. Okay? So, pwede mo rin tong sabihin. So, please start whenever you are ready. Kasi some of the students, most especially yung mga beginner, ay i-check muna nila yan bago nila i-record. Okay? So, ngayon, pag na-record na ni student yan, titingin ka ngayon sa chat box. Kasi after niyang, yan, after niya ma-record, lalabas yung result din sa chat box. So, ang lalabas doon ay kahit alin man dito. So, either perfect, excellent, great, good, keep trying. Ganon. Okay? So, yung result na to ay nakabase dun sa system, dun sa audio. Okay? So, there are times na yung audio ay possible since na system naman siya, hindi niya masyadong magigets. I mean, hindi niya masyadong makukuha yung tamang word na sinabi ni student. So, you, of course, mas maganda pa rin na ikaw, yung human teacher niya, ang magde-decide kung ano talaga yung result niya. Pero bago yun, dito muna tayo, dun sa result ng audio. Okay? So, for example, sasabihin mo, now, please look at the chat box. So, your result is perfect. Okay, very good. So, syempre, wag niyo kakalimutan i-praise or i-very good si student kapag nakagawa sila ng, syempre, maganda. Okay? Ngayon, sasabihin mo din to. So, pag sinabi mo your result is perfect, so very good. This time, let's listen to your recording. I'll play the audio now. Okay? Ang gagawin mo, ipe-play mo yung recording. Yung ni-record kanina ni student mo. So, you as a teacher, kailangan pakinggan mo rin yung audio. Para makita mo or mas sure ka dun sa ibibigay mong feedback sa kanya. Okay? So, for example, napakinggan nyo na yung audio. Tapos, meron kang word na napakinggan dun sa audio na hindi naman ganun yung pronunciation. So, doon, from there, pwede ka nang mag-start. So, pwede mo tong sabihin. There are some words that we can improve. So, ngayon, ilagay mo yun sa chat box. So, please repeat after me twice. Kung paano ka lang nagko-correct ng mispronunciation ni student. Ganun lang din. Okay? So, ngayon, pag na-improve niya na yung word, so, papakinggan niyo naman yung model audio. So, now, let's listen to the model audio. I-click mo to.
Hello, I would like to buy 2 tickets for the movie Road Challenge. I have a coupon for buy 1 ticket, get the other at 50% off. Can I use this coupon now, please? Hello.
Okay. So, para saan ba yung model audio na to? Dito sa model audio, mapapakinggan ni student yung correct intonation, kung dapat ba itataas niya or ibababa niya, yung tone of voice, and of course, pronunciation din, bukod pa dun sa kinorect mo, and also yung pagpo-pause. For example, meron dyan na comma or period or yung question mark. So, dapat yung intonation ni student doon ay mag-improve din. Okay? So, ngayon, after makinig dun sa model audio, tatanungin mo siya, do you want to listen again? Pag sinabi ni student na yes, i-play mo siya ulit. If sinabi naman ni student na no, punta ka na dito. Okay, so this time, let's try reading aloud the sentences in the blue box again. So, please start whenever you are ready. So, ngayon, yung pangalawang try na gagawin ni student, dapat mas nag-improve na. Okay? Yung mga period, yung mga comma, yung mga question mark, dapat magpo-pause na siya. And then yung intonation dun sa tanong, dapat tunog tanong na, gano'n. Hindi siya question mark siya, pero yung intonation is parang period, 'di ba? Correct, how do you say this? Um, Yun nga, for example, na-explain ko na kanina. So, yung for example dito, 'yan. So, "Can I use this, coupon now, please?" 'Di ba? Dapat gano'n. Kapag kasi period, period lang, okay. So, gano'n siya. And, there are times naman na magkakaroon kayo ng error sa audio niyo. Sometimes pagka-record ni student, hindi siya lalabas sa chat box. So, 'pag gano'n, i-click mo 'tong si plan B, tapos ayan, puwede mo 'tong sabihin, "So the system is not working well, could you use a headset or earphones? And also could you check the internet connection?" Gano'n. But kung sa tingin niyo naman ay, si system ang may problem, so ganito na lang. So let's proceed with the lesson without using the system. I will listen and type your mispronounced words or phrases into the chat box. Let's try reading aloud again. Ganun. Okay? So ngayon dito sa plan B, 'pag hindi nag-work yung audio, ikaw na. So siyempre mas accurate naman yung ibibigay mo sa kanya. Tama? Okay, so gano'n. So after that, passage 2 na. So same lang. Kung ano lang yung ginawa niyo dun sa passage 1, gano'n lang din yung gagawin niyo sa passage 2. Okay, so yun lang, that's it. I hope kahit papaano meron kang natutunan, and kung before nalilito ka kung papaano mo ituturo 'tong textbook na 'to kay student, I hope ngayon medyo, kahit papaano naliwanagan ka na. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you so much, everyone. And as I mentioned earlier po, kung meron kayong mga suggestions or comments, ay sorry, kung meron kayong mga suggestions or tips na pwede nating mai-share sa mga co-teachers natin, mas maganda yun. Okay? So yun lang po. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.